Good morning, boys and girls. I'm very excited today because we are looking at strange and peculiar birds that we find all over the world. One of the weirdest birds is the Philippine eagle. What makes it so strange is that this bird enjoys eating monkeys for dinner. Look at its spiky head feathers. His shaggy brown hairdo makes him look as if he has been partying way too much. This eagle is the national bird of the Philippines, and you can spend 12 years in jail if you kill one of them. Another strange bird is the rhinoceros hornbill. We find them in Southeast Asia. It has a large beak and a curled reddish orange horn just above the beak. Can you think of another animal that also have a horn? Yes, the rhinoceros, and that's why we call him the rhinoceros hornbill. This horn amplifies the bird's call. In other words, that means it makes the sound of the call louder. And now we're going to look at the great Pautu. This bird is the scariest with his round, bulging yellow eyes glowing in the night. It makes a mournful growl sound just like you when you are unhappy and moaning about something. Their camouflage is excellent. They blend in with the branch they're sitting on, and it is almost impossible to see them. When they become aware of movement or sound that can be a threat, they freeze. With their beaks lifted up to the sky, they sit quietly until the danger has passed. And then the ugliest bird in the whole world is the marabou stork, and you will find them in the dry parts of southern Africa. It has a bold pink head and neck, and then a featherless wattle hanging below its beak. It's got a massive beak, as you can see. Now they are very lazy birds, and they spend much of their time standing motionless. But when they fly, they look very elegant. Isn't that amazing? So boys and girls, take some time, go outside and watch the birds in your garden. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Bye-bye.